Managing payroll processing with Deel can streamline your operations and save you time, whether you're running a small business or scaling a global team. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about using Deel for payroll processing, from setting up your account to paying employees across borders seamlessly. Stick around until the end because I'll also reveal how you can access Deel for free with an exclusive bonus. First off, Deel is an excellent choice for companies who need to manage payroll for remote teams, international employees, or contractors. It's a platform that handles not just payroll, but also compliance, benefits, and contracts, which can be a huge relief for businesses operating in multiple countries. To get started with Deel, you simply create an account and set up your company profile. This includes entering basic company details and selecting the countries where your employees are located. Deel supports payroll in over 150 countries, making it incredibly versatile. Once your company profile is complete, you can easily onboard employees by adding them manually or by uploading a bulk file if you're managing many people at once. When it comes to payroll processing, Deel is designed to make everything automated. You can set the frequency of payments for each employee, whether that's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Deel will automatically calculate taxes, deductions, and benefits according to the local laws of each employee's country. This is especially important if you're hiring internationally, as it takes the guesswork out of compliance. Deel integrates with a variety of other platforms you may already use, such as accounting software or payment processors. This helps create a smooth workflow and saves you time by reducing the number of steps in your payroll process. Now, one of Deel's standout features is its ability to manage payments in multiple currencies. If you're working with employees or contractors worldwide, Deel will convert payments into their local currency without any hassle. This means you don't have to worry about exchange rates or manual conversions, which can be both time-consuming and error-prone. Another great aspect of Deel is its compliance features. Deel handles tax filings, benefits, and other statutory requirements, which can be complicated when you're dealing with employees from different countries. The platform makes sure you're always up to date with the latest laws and regulations, which is crucial when you're scaling globally. When it comes to paying employees, Deel offers multiple payment options, including direct bank transfers, PayPal, and even crypto payments, depending on your preference and the employee's location. This flexibility ensures you can pay your team the way they prefer without any complications. Now, let's talk about security. Deel uses industry-standard security protocols to ensure that both your financial data and your employees' sensitive information are protected at all times. You won't have to worry about the security of payroll processing, even when you're handling large sums of money or confidential employee details. And if you're new to Deel, don't worry. The platform is user-friendly with a simple dashboard and step-by-step guidance to help you manage your payroll processing effectively. Whether you're a solopreneur or managing a global team, Deel is designed to grow with you. If you're looking to scale your business and need an efficient way to manage payroll processing, Deel is definitely worth considering. And remember, you can access Deel for completely free by clicking the link below for an exclusive bonus that you won't find anywhere else. By the way, as a bonus for watching until the end, we've arranged an extended free trial for you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to experience Deel's full range of features without spending a dime. Check the first link below to get started today.